Today in this video we will see new update and setting in Snapchat. First, Snapchat plus plus icon. I explain this new update in Snapchat. When you open your Snapchat account, here you can see different new update in Snapchat. Just click on profile icon. Here you can see plus icon. Just click on this is new feature in Snapchat. The name of feature Snapchat plus plus. Here you can see all new update in Snapchat. First is you can easily change your chat wallpaper in Snapchat. Second is you can just add your favorite person to pin someone. And third is you can easily change the app icon color. Some feature is paid, but soon all feature are free for all country. Third is you can easily add your favorite emoji on your friend profile icon. Here you can see when you post view emoji, just you can change this reaction. Select your favorite. This feature is story rewatch. If you watch any friend story 2 time, here you can see I option on your Snapchat story. Here you can see Snapchat badge. When celebrity use Snapchat account, here you can see badge option. If you this function is paid, here you can easily change your bitmoji background color. You can easily reply celebrity Snapchat public profile picture easily. Here this is amazing feature. You can see your close friend last location. Sub function is free, but soon Snapchat update this all function in free. If you like this update, share a video with the friend.